Welcome back, everyone. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie Zero Oscar. This is the Fanttik Nex S1 Pro, a cordless screwdriver kit. Looks like it does 6 Newton meter maybe torque. Newton meter. That sounds like a force or a power unit, right? I'm not sure. Let's open it. And before we do that, let's see. It has a PHO, PH1, PH2, H30, H40, H50, H60, TR10, 15, 20, and 25, S10, S20, SL3, 4, and 5. Contains 16 commonly used quarter-inch shank bits, perfect for working around the house. Okay, well, let's see. Let's open it up and find out. See what it comes with. This is a nice looking box. Very nice. Okay, what do we got? Let's see. Another USB cable, yeah. USB-A to USB-C cable, okay. A quick start instructions and a user manual. Looks like with different languages. Okay, let's continue opening this. Okay, wow, that is heavy. Very nicely sealed. Doesn't seem like it's been opened. Wow, okay. Oh, so you can stand it up. That's nice. Nice little tube. Now I have the Fanttik, I guess. I have the portable vacuum cleaner. I have some specifications here. It says Nex SI Pro. Okay. And let me see. Oh yes, you can open this up. All right. And that comes out. Wow. This comes out as well. So that's an empty tube. And then you have all these bits. 16 of them. Nice. Have some type of spring action there. And I guess you can take one of these, which looks like it's magnetically held. And then you just pop this in. Nice. Also looks like it's magnetically held. Then you got 3 different settings: off, 1, 2, and 3. Different torques, I guess. Let's see. It's off, but there's a light. Oh, that's neat. Let's put it at 1. 1, 2, 3. Sounds the same. Very nice. Do I have anything that I can unscrew? Probably not. Let me see. If I put it at 1. Oh, that's powerful. Wow. That's really powerful. I can't stop it with my fingers. And I bet 3 is even stronger. Yeah. So definitely for things you know what you're doing, or else you got to strip. your content. Let's see. If I plug this in, well, that's nice. You can see it's charging. It's blinking. So I'm wondering, after it's charged, does it stop blinking? Okay. Can you stand this up? You can. This is interesting. Got all these different tools and accessories. Okay, now let's put it together. We'll put this one in here. Doesn't matter. I don't know. Oh, it just snaps in. And then this one, I think, goes in here. And then I think you can just push it in and it just snaps in. Then you put in your lid and you're done. Very compact, very nice. I think it'll be a great addition when I go in the field and need a tool that has a little more power than my hand. And then I guess I can just open this and then connect the power to it. And it glows. Very nice. Very nice, very nice. And then just lock it up here. Okay. If you have any questions, please put them on the comment section. I hope we get to have a contact soon. This is Frank Whiskey Charlie 0 Oscar. Bye-bye.